What's up everyone, Orgin here, ready to help you make your money work harder for you. And today we're diving into the best high yield savings accounts of 2024. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to park your money to get the best returns. But first, a quick brain teaser. I grow without water, I die without light, what am I? Stick around for the answer at the end. Let's get real. In today's low interest world, finding a savings account that pays you anything worthwhile can feel like finding a needle in the haystack. But fear not, I've done the legwork to bring you the top accounts that pay over 5% APY. That's right, over 5%. So let's jump in. Why settle for less? With inflation eating away at your savings, it's crucial to maximize your returns. Let's start with our first contender, UFB Direct. Offering a whopping 5.02% APY. No, that's not a typo. This account has no monthly maintenance fees and provides free online and mobile banking tools. Imagine this, you deposit $10,000 and in a year, you've earned over $500 just for letting your money sit there. Not bad, right? However, it's an online-only bank, so if you prefer face-to-face banking, this might not be for you. Quick story. Kanye West, despite his immense success, has faced financial challenges, partly due to poor money management. He once revealed that he was $53 million in debt. So don't be like Kanye, make your money work for you by choosing the right savings account. Next, we have SoFi Checking and Savings. This one's fantastic for those that want a full service experience. It offers 4.6% APY, so just shy of the 5%, and half a point on checking balances. Plus, you get access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs and no account fees. With the cherry on top, a bonus up to $300 when you set up a direct deposit. So imagine that, your money grows and you get a nice little bonus. Ally Bank is a favorite for many and for good reason. It offers 4.25% APY on savings with no minimum balance requirements. Ally is known for its excellent customer service and user-friendly online platform. Plus, their buckets features helps you organize your saving goals effortlessly. Whether you're saving for a vacation or a new car, Ally's got you covered. Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers a solid 4.5% APY with no minimums or fees. Backed by one of the most reputable names in finance, it's a reliable choice for you. They also offer same-day transfers for up to $100,000, ensuring you have quick access to your funds when you need it. Discover Bank offers 4.35% APY on their savings account with no fees or minimum balances. What's unique about Discover is their cashback debit account, offering 1% cashback on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases each month. So not only do you earn high interest on your savings, but you also get cashback on everyday purchases. Let's talk about avoiding some pitfalls. Cardi B, despite her massive earnings, once admitted to wasting money on frivolous purchases, and learning from those type of mistakes is essential to invest wisely and choose high yield savings accounts that maximize your earnings. Now, to talk about some tools to help you build your wealth while having a high yield savings account. YNAB, You Need a Budget, helps you track your spending and saving goals. Personal Capital, great for tracking investments and savings in one place. Acorns, automatically invest spare change from your purchases. Digit analyzes your spending habits and automatically saves small amounts for you. All right, time to wrap this up. The answer to our riddle, I grow without water, I die without light. It's a shadow. Just like your savings in these high yield accounts, they need the right conditions to grow and thrive. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more wealth building tips, and share your favorite high yield savings accounts in the comments that I may have missed. Remember, your money should work as hard as you do. So until next time, keep striving for financial freedom, and I'll see you in the next one.